Good morning, students. We are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 11, Force and Friction. So first we will start force. Force is a push or pull. Anything when we push or pull the object, then this push or pull is known as force. For example, when we push the door or pull the door, then it is force. We are applying force to the door. It occurs due to interaction between two objects. Interaction between two objects means when two objects come closer to each other, they interact with each other, then only the force occurs. So, the two objects must be in contact. For example, when we push the door, our hand and the door is in contact with each other. Effects of force. What the force can do? Force can move a stationary object. That means if the object is in rest condition, then if we apply a force, then it can move the object. That means when the object is in rest condition, that for example, say table or chair, if it is in rest condition and we try to push it or pull it, then it starts moving. Second, it can stop a moving object. If the object is in motion and we apply force to it, that means if we pull it, then it will stop. Anything which is in motion, suppose a goalkeeper has to save a goal, then he applies a force to the moving football with his hand and save the goal. Third is it can change the direction of a moving object. For example, in cricket match. In cricket match, when the moving ball comes to the cricketer, then by the bat he changed the direction of the ball. Fourth, it can change the speed of a moving object. Example, if someone pushes the running bicycle from behind, then the speed of the bicycle will increase. And the last one, it can change the shape and size of the object. For example, when a floor is needed, then the shape of the floor is get changed. So floor means atta. The dough prepared by your mother, you have seen at your home, it is kneaded by the floor and the shape is completely changed. And if we talk about the size of the object, then the example of spring. If we pull the spring from both sides, then the size of the spring will increase.